Lesson: Stay safe during a storm. A heavy storm is coming tonight. Please stay inside and keep your doors locked. Do not go outside during the storm, and never open the door for strangers.
Ella, please listen.
Okay, I'm listening now.
If the power goes out, use a flashlight. Do not use candles without an adult. Hello? I understand. We'll leave right away.
Is everything okay?
Mom and I need to go out for a little while.
We'll be home before the storm gets worse. Be good for us.
Oliver, stay with Ella.
I promise I'll take care of her.
Keep the door locked.
Come home soon.
The storm is so loud. Don't worry, we are safe inside. Dad, when are you coming home?
The storm is too heavy.
We cannot come home tonight.
What? You and Mom cannot come home?
Lock all the doors. Close the windows and curtains. Do not open the door for anyone.
I will protect you, Ella. Will we be okay? Yes. We will follow the safety rules. Let's check every door.
The back door is locked.
Let's close the curtains. Now no one can see inside. Why is Buddy barking? Someone may be outside.
Hello? Is anyone home?
Someone is knocking. Stay here, Ella. I'll check from a safe place.
Please open the door. I need help.
Who are you?
Just open the door. It's raining outside.
But he is standing in the rain. Maybe we should help him. Maybe I can open the door a little. But Mom said never open it. You're right, Ella. We must not open the door. We cannot open the door. Please call an adult or the police if you need help.
Open the door now!
I'm scared, Oliver. Dad, a stranger is at the door.
Do not open it.
Stay away from the door. Keep the camera on and stay together.
He is going away. We did the right thing. I almost opened the door. That was dangerous. Oh no! The power is out. It's so dark. Don't be scared. Stay here with Buddy. I found a candle. We can light it. No, Ella. Candles are dangerous without an adult. Let's use flashlights. Wow! This one is very bright. We will use them from now on. Let's build a small tent.
This is fun.
Thank you for staying with me. We will stay together until morning.
Mom and Dad are home!
I checked the camera first.
I'm so proud of both of you.
You stayed calm. You locked every door and never opened it.
And you used flashlights instead of candles. Excellent job.
I almost made a mistake, but I stopped and called Dad.
We followed the safety rules.
We are very proud of you.
We remembered everything you taught us.
When you're home alone, never open the door to strangers. Stay inside, stay calm, and remember the safety rules your family has taught you.